When you see AMEX CBNA on your credit report, it refers to an inquiry or account associated with American Express through City North America, which is known as CBNA. All right. Now, Citibank often partners with American Express to issue certain credit cards, and that is why these two names appears together. Okay, so while it may be confusing to see CBNA instead of a clear American Express label, then this appearance is typically linked to credit check or new account reporting associated with Amex. Okay, especially if you recently applied for an American Express card. So in this video, I'm going to be going ahead to discuss some breakdown which can help you understand what Amex CBNA means and on your credit report, and also how you can handle it if it's unexpected. Okay, so if this is your first time of being in this channel, well, I talk about credit card information, which I see a lot of people are kind of confused about. So if that interests you, you might want to smash the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new credit card videos right on this channel. Now let's talk about some things you need to know about the Amex CBNA on your credit reports. So the first one is the soft versus hard inquiry. The Amex CBNA on your credit report could appear due to either a soft or hard inquiry, which soft inquiries are typically for pre-approval checks and they really do not impact your credit score, which I'm sure you already know. But however, hard inquiries do affect your score slightly and they usually occur when you apply for a credit card or loan. Now, knowing the type of inquiry can also help you to understand the potential impact on your credit. And another thing is the potential sign of fraud. So in case you haven't applied for a new American Express card, but you notice Amex CBNA on your credit report, then it could be a sign of potential identity theft. Okay, so fraudsters sometimes they apply for credit in other people's names. Okay, so maybe your your name has been used to apply for credit, so it's crucial to verify if this inquiry was authorized. Okay, also freezing your card can also help, because if you suspect that the inquiry is unauthorized, okay, then it is very important to freeze your card, which can be a protective step. And freezing your card at all three major bureaus like Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion can prevent new accounts from being opened in your name, which will help you to add an extra layer of security. And talking about another point that I think you should know is the American Express and Citibank partnership. Yeah, because I'm understanding that the Citibank and American Express of partnership might kind of help make sense of the CBNA label, because the Citibank may handle backend processing or certain account services for Amex cards. So which explains why CBNA appears instead of just American Express. So they have the backend, okay, they have the access, so they can operate some stuff on behalf of Amex. And also checking your full credit report regularly. Always make sure to review your credit report at least once a year to catch any surprises such as the CBNA or the Amex CBNA entry, because by regularly checking you can stay informed of any unusual activity and you can address it promptly. Okay, and you can use websites like annualcreditreport.com, which offers free yearly access to reports from all the three major bureaus. Okay, so that is what you need to know about this. Now let's go ahead and discuss about how you can handle this in case you see this type of text on your credit report. The first thing is you need to verify recent credit applications. So before you take action, always make sure to consider if you've recently applied for any credit card. As this could explain the Amex CBNA entry. So if you have, then it's likely legitimate, but double checking with the lender can also provide you with peace of mind. Okay. And go ahead and also contact American Express directly in case you notice this. So maybe you're unsure about the entry, then contact the customer support of American Express to confirm if a new account or credit check was initiated in your name. Okay, so this direct contact can kind of clarify any misunderstandings and ensure that your accounts are secure. All right, and make sure to monitor your credit going forward. So whether this instance is authorized or not, always make sure that you consistently monitor your credit, which is a wise move. Okay, because a lot of credit monitoring services are out there that can alert you to new inquiries or account openings, so which can provide quick notifications of potential fraudulent activity. I'm also going to advise that you set up fraud alert, okay, if needed. So in case you believe your information may be at risk, then please make sure you place a fraud alert with the credit bureaus, which can possibly help, okay, because fraud alerts helps to notify creditors to take extra verification steps before approving new credit in your name. Okay, so it kind of makes it harder for anyone else to open accounts. All right. And in case of anything, please, you can try and dispute unauthorized entries with the bureaus. So if you confirm that the Amex CBNA entry is fraudulent, then you can file a dispute with the credit bureaus by providing relevant documentations such as the police report, which you can request the removal of this inquiry or account from your report. So these are how you can handle the Amex CBNA on your credit report. Okay. Now let me talk about my final thoughts to finalize this video. Okay. Now Amex CBNA do appears frequently on credit report, and it has really confused many customers. Okay, especially those who are unfamiliar with the Citibank and American Express relationship. So this transparency issue can make it hard to identify legitimate activity from fraudulent behavior. Okay. So prevention is easier than resolution. So freezing credit and monitoring reports are preventive steps that are often easier than trying to resolve fraudulent credit issues after they arise. So I would suggest that you proactively manage your credit, which can save you from future headaches. Okay, and you shouldn't forget that customer support is always valuable. So don't hesitate to reach out to American Express for clarification, because in many cases, customer support can provide quick answers to resolve any uncertainties. Okay, so it's kind of allow you to feel more secure about your account. And I also suggest that you multi-check by alarm. Okay, so because it is possible to see several inquiries on your report without a fraud issue. So pre-approval check, credit line increases, and even certain job application can trigger inquiry. So it's important to assess the full picture when it comes to this. So multiple checks can be alarming, but it's not always fraudulent. All right. Always report suspicious activity promptly. Also, so in case you suspect fraud, act quickly and also report suspicious activity to American Express and the credit bureaus, which is very essential. Okay, because delay can allow potential misuse of your credit information. So these are the honest thoughts that I have for you regarding this, and I hope it's been able to put you through on one or two things and also understand better what this is about. So to round this up, whenever you see Amex CBN on your credit report, it may be unexpected, but understanding the context and also knowing the right step to take can help you to address it confidently. Okay, so you taking actions to monitor, verify, and protect your credit is vital in maintaining financial security. So this is what I have for you today. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope this video regarding the Amex CBNA credit report has been able to explain what it is about, some things you need to know, and how to handle this notice on your credit report. So thank you very much. Please, if this video has been helpful, don't forget to smash the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new videos regarding credit card on this channel. Until another time, I wish you the best of luck, and also don't forget to like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there who might be needing something just like this. Till another time, I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.